it doesn't say. There's been some awesome CGs right where I'm facing right now. And I'm waiting for traffic. And now, since I'm stopped and managed the video, I bet you not one decent CG pops out. And yet it's been really, really active. I'm only just managing now, getting back from the job. Good old Desert Road. Oh. Now I'm going to the road there. Now I'm going down Marshall. That's a rarity for Desert Road at this time.